If you have a website or any online business, then it is very important to have a Gmail account. Why it is very important to have a Gmail account? Because Google has so many very important and very useful products for most of internet businesses. So user can sign into Gmail and use most of Gmail products, including Google Search Console tool, Google Webmaster Tool, YouTube, Google Play, Google Drive, and so many more. Without Gmail account, no one can access any of Google products. Click the link that I have provided in description below to go on page that has sign up link and all the details. As soon as you click on that link, please go step by step, then sign up for Google and create a Google account. As soon as you click on that link, you will see this page. Click to create account and select for myself or to manage my business. I'm selecting myself. So provide first name, last name, and a username and the password, and repeat the password. And password must be 8 characters long with mix of letter and numbers plus symbol. Click next. If you want to save a password, you can click to save it, otherwise you don't need it. It's optional. Phone verification required, so select any country that you live in and then add a phone number. Click the small arrow right here. I'm selecting United States. You can select any country that you live in, then provide the phone number. Now recovery email address is optional. Your birthday is optional. Gender, male, female is optional, or you can select rather not to say. Then click next. Then for verification purpose, Google will send a verification code. That code you will need to enter it right here. Once you enter, click to verify. Once everything done, then privacy and terms, and click to agree. And that's it. You got a Gmail account. Now you are able to see most of Google products, including Google Search Console, Google Webmaster Tool, YouTube, Google Play, Google Drive, and so on. And thank you for watching, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification, so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.